Hello, I'm Sabir and welcome to this course on adjectives. In today's video lesson, I'm gonna tell you everything there's to know about adjectives. The best way to describe an adjective is to say that an adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun or pronoun. In simple words, it gives you information on people, things, ideas, nouns, or pronouns. To understand adjectives, let's for example take a common noun book and see how many ways there are in English to describe a book using different kinds of adjectives. Let's see. We can say, it's a great book. You can give your opinion. It's a long book. If you want to talk about the shape of the book, you can say, it's a rectangular book. It's an old book. If you want to tell the age, or if you want to say what color it is, it's a green book. If you want to make an observation, you can say, it's a tone book. It's a Korean book talking about origins. You can mention the material. It's a paper book. If you are talking about the purpose, you can say it's a science book. Science, as you know, is a noun, but in this case, it can be used as an adjective. All these adjectives are placed before the noun, but adjectives can be found before the noun. It's called attribute position, adjective noun, or it can be found after the noun. It is called predicative position, noun adjective, or you can say it comes after the verb. So we can write it as verb adjective. Predicative adjectives which are found after the verb describes the subject of this verb. The subject of this verb can be a noun or a pronoun. For example, the boy is nice. The adjective nice refers to or describes the subject of the sentence the boy, and it is placed after the verb to be. Alan is happy. Same thing. The adjective happy describes the subject of the sentence Alan. I hope you understand the adjective. Let's move on to practice now. Let's see, can you find the adjectives in these sentences? He is a tall man. Can you see the adjective in this sentence? Yes, the adjective is tall. It gives us the height of the man. She is an American woman. Can you tell where is the adjective in this sentence? The adjective is American. It gives you the origin of the woman. You have a black car. Now, what's the adjective in this sentence? It's black, and it gives you the color of the car. My eyes are brown. It's a different sentence. Can you see the adjective? Yes, it's brown, describing the subject of the sentence, my eyes. And finally, the cup is cold. What's the adjective? Can you spot it? It's cold. Yes, the adjective is cold and the cup is the subject. Now, in the first three sentences, it's the attribute position. I have told you earlier in this lesson, remember, the adjective comes before noun. And in the last three sentences, its predicative position, the adjective comes after the noun or verb. To learn about adjectives more, please be sure to watch my next video lessons on adjectives. Thank you.